Good morning student. Today we will discuss questions related to your fifth B exercise. See here, multiplication we discussed. Then now we will take some examples, more examples of this exercise. See here, question number first. Find product of this. Product and multiply are the same terms. First question, see solution first. We have two terms. First is minus 17 by 8 x power 3 y power 2 multiply by minus 16 by 51 x square y. How to do multiply? Firstly multiply these terms with sign. Now see x power 3. There also x power 2 multiply y power 2 into y. Solve it. How to do multiply? 17 ones are 71, 17 threes are 51, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Then it become 2 by 3 minus minus plus. Then it become plus 2 by 3. Multiply x power 3 plus 2. 5 multiply y power 2, nothing is there, it means 1, 2 plus 1 3. Then it becomes 2 by 3 x power 5 y power 3. And this is our answer. Okay, now see the next solution. Hope so you will understand very well. Second solution, second question, see. Your terms 5 by 2 x power 3 into y power 2 multiply by minus y square z multiply by minus 2 x square y z square multiply by minus 1 by 5 x y z. All the terms are in multiplication. Now see firstly, nothing is there, it means there is minus 1. Then firstly we will do multiply. Minus 1 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 1 upon 5. We take the brackets, multiply x power 3 in each term, see x power 3 here, no power of x, here multiply x square and here also multiply by x. We already consider the sign, then don't take again and again. We already consider our sign in this column. Then nextly we will see only the variable x and how many power it have. Here x power 3, here nothing, so we not take. Here x power 2 and here x. Now see the y power. Multiply y power 2 here, here also y power 2. Here only y, here only y. Now see z, no, here z into z power 2 into z. See here, how to solve the sign? Firstly see, 5 to 5 cancel, 2 to 2 cancel and here we got 1. 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2. It means 1 into 1 into 1, 1. This is also 1. It means we get 1. But see here sign, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. It means here you can write down like this. If you do multiply this 1 into minus 1, we get minus 1. Multiply by minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1, then we get minus 1. So we directly see, if you are multiplying odd times negative sign, then obviously you will get the result negative. Or if you are multiplying even times minus, then you will get positive. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Here minus 1 we get. Now see variable power. X power 3 plus 2, 5, nothing is there, means 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Y power 2 plus 2 4 1 and 1 5 6. Z power 1 plus 2 plus 1 4. It means our answer minus 1. Then we can write down, there is no need to write down 1. So answer is minus x power 6, y power 6, z power 4. So this is our result of this question. See the next one. In this question, see solution of third. 100x multiply by 0.1x minus 0.19y z. This term multiply, monomial multiply by binomial. This is a question like monomial multiplied by binomial. So it means this monomial firstly we multiply by each term. Plus nothing sign here, it means positive, plus minus minus. Now numerical coefficient multiply firstly, then multiply by power x into x minus 100 into 0.19 x into y. Then it become 100 into 0.1. If you solve, then 100 into 0.1 means 100. 100 into 100, one decimal we put here, then it becomes 10. Or you can do like this, 100 into 1 point decimal if you remove, then you get denominator 10, then solve it, also result is 10. Then 10 x power 1 plus 1 x power 2 minus 100 into 0.19, that is 100 multiply 0.19, then it means it is 1900. How many decimal? 2. Then we put here, then we get the result 19. All the variables are different, then we write down just minus 19 x y z. Okay, in this question if I ask what is the degree of this polynomial, here x power 2 means degree 2. Here 3 variable and all have the power 1 1 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what is the degree of this binomial? Degree of this binomial is 3. See the next question now. In this question, same thing, monomial, binomial, monomial, binomial, monomial, binomial. Just to multiply in step each term, x square into 3. If you know now, write down directly. Nothing is there, it means this is 1 x square. So 1 into 3, 3, and variable is x, x square. This term is positive, negative, minus 1 into 5, 5, then x square, y square. So the result of this one term, we get these two terms. Now this plus, nothing is there, it means there is 1. Here also nothing, 1. 1 into 1, 1. X into x, x power 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Y square only one time, then y square. Plus minus, minus 1 into 3, 3. X into x, x power 2. Y is not here, so only minus 3x square. Minus, here sign minus, minus plus, minus 2. Nothing is there. 2 into 1, 2. Y power 1 plus 1, 2. Minus, minus, plus. 2 2s are 4. X square only. Y into y, here also 1 plus 1, 2. Now see, is there any like term or not? Here 3x square, here minus 3x square. It means we can cancel it here, or you can write down one more step like this. Minus 5x square y square, this one, plus x square y square plus 4x square y square, then this term minus 2y square. Same values, one is in positive, one is in negative, it means we can cancel out. Minus 5 plus 1 plus 4, these three terms are like term, and we can solve like this. Minus 2y square. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So it means 0 minus, or 0 multiplied by anything, then also 0. Then your answer is minus 2y square. This type we will solve. Try again and again. Check your answer also. Whenever you solve any question, then check your answer by backside also. Then whenever in the solution, if you have like terms, then solve this also. It means we will get the simplest form of the polynomial in our answer. That is the final answer then. Okay student. Next, now till now we discussed monomial multiplied by binomial, polynomial like this. Now we will discuss binomial multiplied by binomial. It means we have two terms, suppose 3a plus 2b, and here also we have two terms a plus b. How to do multiply these? In this, what we will do, firstly we will convert monomial multiply by binomial. How? There are two terms, there are also two terms. Then one term we take multiplied by this complete binomial. We take first term of this binomial and multiplied by this complete binomial. Then plus 2b multiplied by a plus b. Now it changed in our first type of question, that monomial multiplied by binomial, same type of multiply. 3a into a, sign is positive, 3a into b, here plus 2b into a plus 2b into b. Now solve it. 3 a power 1 1 means 2 plus 3, both different variable, 2ab plus 2, b power 1 plus 1 2, 3a square plus, these two are like term, then 3 plus 2 into ab plus 2b square, 3a square plus 3 plus 2, 5ab plus 2b square. This is our answer. So this type we will solve binomial multiply by binomial. Another example take. You can understand properly how to solve it only by practice. So do practice again and again. Suppose I take question 3x square plus 4y square multiplied by 2x square minus 5y square. You want to multiply this? Same thing, first term 3x square multiplied by this complete binomial. Now here sign is plus 4y square, multiply again by this. Now same thing, 3x square into 2x square, 3 into 2 x square into x square, minus plus minus minus 3 into 5 x square into y square, plus 4 into 2 y square into x square, plus minus minus 4 into 5 y square into y square. Now see, 3 2s are 6, x power 2 plus 2 4, minus 3 5s are 15 x power 2 y power 2 plus 4 2s are 8. You can write down y square x square, or here you can write down x square y square also in sequence our variable. Minus 20 y power 2 plus 2 4. 6x power 4. Now see in this, both term are like term, so you can take in bracket plus sign outside, then minus 15 plus 8 x square y square minus 20 y power 4. One thing see here, whenever you take in bracket these type of terms, then here write down plus sign, then you can take as it is sign in your bracket. Now see, minus 15 plus 8. See, minus plus is always minus. One number is in negative, one number is in positive. All it means we will do subtraction. Subtraction, it means which one is greater or which one is smaller, then greater minus smaller number, then you will get 7. But is it right? No, it is not right, because we will consider the sign with our result. Which one value is greater in this, 15 or 8? Obviously 15, but 15 value has the sign negative. It means our answer also will come in negative. So our answer is minus 7. Then here write down 6x power 4 plus minus of 7 x square y square minus 20 y power 4. 6x power 4 plus minus 7 x square y square minus 20 y power 4. Now all the terms are unlike terms, so this is our result. This type we will solve multiplication binomial multiply by binomial. Next, see one more example, column method how to solve. Suppose I take 3a plus 2b, 5a plus 7b, and we want to do multiply. Then column method. This is, till now we discussed horizontal method. Now we will discuss about column method. Here 5a. Firstly 5a multiply by 3a. 5 into 3 15. A into a power 2. 15a square. Then 5a multiply by 2b. Sign is there plus. 5 2s are 10. A b. Here. Now the next see, plus 7b. Plus 7b multiply by 3. Then we write down 21 a b. We write down downside this term. Now plus 7 to the 14 b into b square. Now add it. This is 15a square plus 10 into 21. 10 plus 21, 31 ab plus 14b square. Then this is our answer. This is called a column method. One by one we do multiply. Firstly we multiply by 5a both term, then we write down in first column, in first row. Then multiply by 7b both term, we write down in second row. Then we add both row, then you will get the result. Another example take in column method. Suppose we take 2x square plus 3y square multiply by 5x square minus y square. Firstly 5x square multiply by this, 5 2s are 10, x power 2 into x power 2, x power 4. This multiply by this, 5 3s are, sign is positive, 5 3 are 15, x power 2 y power 2. Now this sign negative, y power 2 into this 2x power 2 y power 2, nothing is there, it means 1, 2 ones are 2, then minus 2 x square y square. Now this one multiply, minus plus minus, 3 into 1 3, y square into y square, y power 4, then add it, 10x power 4, 15 minus 2 13x square y square minus 3y power 4. So this is our answer. This time we will solve the column method, multiply binomial to binomial. Okay, there is more type of question in this topic, we will discuss in our next lecture, and do try your exercise based on these type of questions. Thank you, students.